Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this episode, we will show you how to set up a text message campaign on the merchant website. First, log into repeatrewards.com using your credentials given. Then, from the home page, you're going to click on Marketing, Text Messaging, followed by Send Text. From here, you're going to select who should receive your text message. So you can create a new list or select a list you already have available. In this scenario, I'm just going to create a new list of all members, but if I wanted to do some select criteria, like just maybe top members or just female members, I could use some of the various demographic segmenting options. When you're done selecting your criteria, choose Save Search Criteria. Then, from this screen, I have the option to get a promo code, which I can use for tracking a promotion within the text. So click the Get a Promo Code button if you plan to include some sort of discount or offer. Then you're going to enter in some criteria. The description is something for your use only so that you can identify the promotion. Then you can choose to enter, if you wish, some informational fields about how many you're sending to, the cost of this promotion. For example, if you were sending a $5 offer and you're sending it potentially to 500 people, you could include that cost here. Then, for the start date of promotion, you are going to enter in the dates that this promo code should be valid. And then the last field is promo bonus. So this is to choose what this promo code should do. It can be worth bonus points, it could be worth double points, triple points, or if it's just simply an offer, you could select custom promotion and your offer would just be trackable with the code. Click Next to continue. Here, you'll be able to enter in your text message. You'll see some defaulted message options like what your store name is and the promo code. You can choose to change this if you wish. We do recommend including your store or business name in the text so that recipients know who it's coming from. And if you have the promo code or if you have an offer you want to include, you'll want to include the promo code as well. If you are wishing to just have your promo code be something that your staff uses when shown the text, you do not have to include it in the message. So type your message where it says enter message here. Then you'll see down underneath the message how many characters you've used and how many remain. So you can tweak your message as needed. Please note that there are some characters you cannot use, which are shown in this area here. And every text message sent will include an end message that allows somebody who received it to stop. This is required by law, but is not part of your character count. Lastly, you'll choose to schedule it, either send now or in a future date. So then you can choose a date for which you'd like it to go out. So you can do this ahead of time. If you choose send now, it'll send out within about a half an hour. You also have the option of including members with a home phone number that are opted in to receive text messages but don't have a mobile number on file. This would be used if you believe a lot of your members signed up and inputted their cell phone as their home number, maybe because they don't have a actual home phone or a landline, so their cell is their home number. When you're done, click Complete. Next, I'll show you an optional item where you can set up keyword texting. To do this, you'll want to contact our support team to get set up the first time, where we'll provide a dedicated phone number for you to be able to promote to your customers to text to in order to do certain things. So to begin, you'll choose Marketing on the left, then Text Messaging, followed by Keyword Texting. Here, you'll see the number that you have been given in order to promote, then the words that you can promote that your customers text in order to be shot back a different text, like an offer or links to your mobile app. So the first option you see is join. If they text the word join, then they will be sent back a text message of your choice that directs them to your online enrollment link. You can edit your text here and click update to save. You can also see underneath the update button how many times that message has been sent, so you can track if your customers are texting to that number. The other option here is Get App. So if customers text Get App to the dedicated number, then they will be shot back this text message, which will include a link to the area where they can download your mobile app on the app stores. You can change the text if you wish and click Update to save. You can also see how many times that keyword has been texted here. Another really fun option with keyword texting is the ability to set up your own keywords and special messages. For example, if you want to do keyword deal, you could have members and customers text the word deal to the number and be shot back with a special offer. You also could do things like text event or text BOGO, any keyword of your choice, to be shot back a message of your choice as well. And you can track the usability here. So once you've inputted your keyword and message, click Add Keyword to save. You'll receive a message that it was successful, and you'll see it in your list of custom keywords you can promote. We recommend promoting these via email, signage at your location, and on different mailings and marketing communications to get the word out about these special offers that are available via text only. If you have any questions about this service or to get started, please contact our support team at 866-268-4958 and reach out to us at any time for help and assistance.